Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your gender energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your gender energies, Scorpios. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will come right after this general energy, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have Fool in reverse, Page of Swords in reverse and Star. So in your situation, guys, Scorpios, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship today. Maybe today you are not interested in doing something, you are not concentrating in your work, or you do not have the concentration. Maybe in your mind you are worried about something or anxious about something, so you are neglecting your responsibilities or you are mentally absent in your situation. So maybe when people ask you some things, you are just unable to decide. So some confusion today in your situation, guys. And the reasons may be because of the way things are going today. You are worried about something, guys. And maybe you have maybe opened your heart to this person. You have told them the truth, what you truly feel and what you are thinking. And this person has not replied to you. So you have told them what you truly feel. It may be your energy or their energy, guys, towards you. So for some of you, you are quite emotional. You don't know which way this relationship will go or what will happen, guys. But if it is true love, if this person has true love towards you, Scorpios, you need not worry. They will surely understand you. They will understand the truth in your words, and they will appreciate you for telling them the truth, coming out openly, communicating openly to them. And you need to be prepared because there is an unexpected surprise waiting for you today, guys, Scorpios. So for most of you, if it is true love with this person, they are going to respond likewise. So they are going to surprise you in an unexpected way today, guys. And maybe this relationship will move towards marriage or commitment, guys, engagement. But for some of you, if it is not true love, if this person does not have true love towards you, maybe they may feel bad about the things you told them, about the truth you revealed to them, and they may go separate, guys, separate from you. It may be a rare chance, guys, but most of all, I see a positive change happening with the truth being revealed in your situation, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is Ace of Wands in reverse. So in this relationship, to hold on to this person, to be in this connection, to hold on to this love, you are trying, doing everything possible, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are even starting a family, having a child together. But there may be some minor problems you need to resolve, guys. There may be some small things you need to resolve in this relationship, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's the Chariot in reverse. So with this card, in your career situation, you need to be really careful, Scorpios, because for some of you, you may get involved in some kind of a lawsuit. So someone may have a grudge against you. So you need to be careful, guys, Scorpios. If for some reason you have a situation which needs to be dealt with, maybe someone is threatening you for some things, you need to pacify this person, guys. You should not make the situation go out of hand, guys, Scorpios. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment, and if you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and first crystal, your second card and second crystal. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will see what is the card. For those who chose this card, guys, it is Sacred Phoenix Heart. So with this card, guys, maybe in your situation today, you may have some confusion, something bothering you or worrying you. You have gone through a lot, endured a lot, made a lot of sacrifices, but there is uncertainty and confusion today, guys, in your situation, and you don't know which way to go. And maybe today you want answers, you are looking for answers, and this oracle card, it comes with a special guidance, guys, that whatever you are looking for, maybe answers for the troubles or some clarity in a situation, whatever it is, you are getting the answers. And the way of getting that is by letting go of your striving or opinions or your doubts, despair or fears, whatever you have. So you don't need any of it, and there is a guidance waiting for you, reaching you today, and you will see things with a better clarity, guys. And also with this card, guys, there is a special guidance for you all, that divine timing is working for you. So though you would have faced a lot, you would have sacrificed a lot, you would have faced a lot of trials in your life, but whatever it is, whatever the situation may be, guys, divine timing is working, and at the right time, right things will unfold for you. So at that right time, whatever you expect, the answers you are seeking will reach you, guys, and you need not worry. So you just have to wait for it with curiosity, and there is no need to fear or worry today, guys. So just be curious for the way things are going to unfold for you, and even the next step may be the final step towards the answers you are seeking today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card and this crystal, it says the Children of Lyre. So with this card, guys, the energy is that you, all of us, guys, not only you, all of us, we are first of all, we are great souls. We have lived for a long time, and maybe this present life, this small lifetime, this is just a part of that long life, long soul life we are having, guys, on this earth. So maybe this is the time we need to understand that in our situation, guys, we are evolving ourselves, we are growing emotionally, physically, mentally, and spiritually. So this is one of that journey, and whatever our life unfolds, or whatever journey is unfolding in our life, it is our soul's journey, guys. So we need to go through all that to move towards a greater evolution, a greater change in life. And maybe in your situation, you are going through a lot of troubles, maybe stress, maybe. So no matter whatever it is, guys, your suffering and your pain is quickly coming to an end. And maybe for some of you, you have a lot of burdens or responsibilities. So all that is going to end, guys. And also you need to understand that if someone loves you truly, they love you for what you are, not for your form or appearance. So they love you for your true nature, for your true characteristics. For it will be a soul connection, guys, and it will not be something based on superficial things like beauty or appearance. So maybe today this is a time of assessment whether this person loves you truly. So maybe if they love you truly, it will be love based on what you are, not for what you appear to be. So appearance are not important, and you may have a deeper bonding with this person beyond your appearance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for y'all. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.